Hey everybody, Dr. Nelson here. This is a video about right triangles. So on the first page, you're going to take notes with me. And then on the next page, there's going to be some problems for you to try. And then at the end, you can see how you did. All right? So maybe you've heard about different types of triangles before, like scalene and isosceles. Well, a right triangle has a right angle in it. That's really the key characteristic of a right triangle. And the side that's directly across from the right angle is called the hypotenuse. And the hypotenuse is always the longest side. Okay? So let's write under important facts. We'll say it includes a right angle. And then in terms of the hypotenuse, we know that it's going to be directly across from the right angle. So we'll say across from the right angle. And it's always the longest side. Another rule to remember when it comes to right triangles is the triangle inequality theorem. Okay, maybe you learned this before. But basically, the triangle inequality theorem states that any two sides of the triangle, when added together, will always be greater than the third side. Okay, so one more time, any two sides of a triangle will always be greater than the third side. So let's write that down. So any two sides when added together, just put a plus sign here. So any two sides when added together will be greater than the third side. All right. So again, just a review. So a triangle consists of three sides, and notice the two legs come together to form a right angle. Directly across from the right angle, there's the hypotenuse, which is the longest side. And remember, anytime you have a triangle, it has to follow the rules of the triangle inequality theorem, where any two sides, when added together, is always greater than the third side. All right. So now that you know a little more about right triangles, why don't you pause the video and try the your turn problems now? And when you're done, hit play, and you see how you did. All right. Good luck. All right, welcome back. Let's say do with these practice problems. So the direction state says trace over each hypotenuse with a marker or a highlighter. And again, we know the hypotenuse is directly across from the right angle and has to be the longest side. So this first one, the hypotenuse would be this side right here. Because again, it's directly across from the right angle. So here's a right angle, so the hypotenuse is going to be this side. Here we have the right angle over here, so the hypotenuse is going to be this side here. For this one, there's the right angle, so it's going to be this side. And then finally, the hypotenuse is going to be this side. All right, how'd you do?